Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of speaking with Sandy Brown. He's a candidate for mayor in the town of Orangeville. Thanks for being here today, Sandy.
Thank you for having me.
So today I want to talk to you about old debates. For instance, the one that's most common, top of mind, is the OPP versus the OPS. When it comes to bringing back old debates, what is the criterion that you would use to qualify something that should be brought back up, and would you bring something back up?
Absolutely. I think that one is at the top of most people's minds in Orangeville. And there's been some passion on both sides of that debate. But I think for the good of everyone in this town, that having and entering into an agreement with the OPP is going to provide the same level of service, and people are questioning, well, how can it be? How can it be that it's going to be millions of dollars in savings? Why? Just in a bigger organization, there's greater efficiencies in management, in communications, and those we as a member of the 300 plus municipalities that are part of the OPP service will take advantage of those efficiencies that are in the operation of that particular police service. So. Those who voted against it, I don't think that they had all of the facts, and there was a lot of obfuscation and muddying of the water by certain council members. It was very clear that the treasurer and CAO and the auditor came to the conclusion that multi-million dollar savings were going to be had. So yeah, that one is definitely one I would bring back. And it's, I respect, both police services, but that's a domino that when it falls is going to create some really good things happening in this town, because those multi-million dollar savings can go to other departments within the town and to help develop things and to make things better for everyone. And I'm convinced that, remember, most of the police officers that are on OPS would get hired on by OPP. You're going to see many of the same faces around town, and community policing is important to the OPP as it is to OPS. So I'm pretty sure that that's going to be. As far as other issues, on a case-by-case basis, if there's other issues that need to be brought back, again, as mayor, you're one of 7 councilors, and every one of those council members are going to have particular issues that they see as being important, and they will bring them up in front of council as they see fit. So, I'll be looking forward to spirited debate. There'll be some new things brought forward, and there'll be some old issues that'll be dusted off and brought forward again by council members. So, just looking forward to all of it, and I'm sure that this council, when it gets elected in October, will be able to move forward with a lot of good things. I look forward to it.
Perfect. Thank you very much for your answer, Sandy.
Mm-hmm.
And if you'd like to see some more of what Sandy has to say, check out the links below. And thank you for watching.